Okay. This is the top. Yeah, it's good. Open this. Okay. You do it. Look at this, okay? Mommy, you be the teacher. And teacher how to play this thing, okay?
Okay.
How to play it. Please show me how to play it.
Show me how to play it, please.
Show me how to play it, please.
Okay, turn.
Oh, I like it.
You like it?
Can I have it?
Yes.
But I don't have it. My mommy tell me don't have to have it. Like that. But you have to cross it.
Have to cross it?
And
Oopsie!
I'm sorry, mommy.
It's okay. Don't worry.
And show me how to play this toy. Please.
Which one?
This one.
This one. Like this?
And this one.
How to do it? No battery.
And that one.
Okay, you can place it. Okay, place it.
I'm sorry. Come on. Let's get dressed up. Okay. Here's the yellow. I think we know. Which one? Yellow. Okay. Let's get dressed. Oh, it's no Minecraft. It's just your toy. You can have the new one. The new dress. Let's get to one.
I smell something bad.
Mommy.
Who take it first?
Mommy, look.
What?
He's taking a bath.
Oh,
Thank you.
he's taking a bath?
Yeah. It was so hot, Mommy. Here. It's too hot, Mommy. Oh, yeah. It's too cold, Mommy. It's too cold, Mommy. Okay. It's not cold.
It's not cold.
And it's not hot. Thank you. Mommy, don't eat it. It's mine, okay?
It's mine.
Mommy.
Yes?
It's your toy. You don't have to play with it.
Okay. This is your toys?
No. This toy belongs to the monkey.
Okay.